Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, our another student has got his required score band in IELTS test. And today we are going to have his speaking test. Let us see. Right, I'm going to ask you some questions from the first part. Can you tell me your full name please?
My full name is Ahmed Bilal.
Right. What do people usually call you?
People usually call me Ahmed.
Right. Where are you from?
Basically, I am from village, but due to some family issues, my parents decided to shift in city. Now I am living in city Daska.
Alright, that's fine. What's your favorite color and why?
My favorite color is yellow because it represents light. It represents sunlight. As a person, I love to wear this color, and I have different accessories of yellow color.
Good. Do you like the same colors now as you did when you were younger?
I think colors changed according to age also. When I was young, I loved to wear black color, but black color represents evil, as my parents said, so I changed my color. Now my favorite color is yellow.
Right. What can you learn about a person from the colors they like?
I think color represents a personality of a person. Like some people wear black color, and when we saw that person, we have idea in our mind that this person is this person is, you can say, this person is a Shia in our society, as there are many deviants of these things, so that's why.
All right. Do any colors have a special meaning in your culture?
Yeah, there are different colors have different meanings. Like green color represent positivity, and in this way red color represents negativity. So different colors have different meanings.
Right. Do you like shopping at the weekends?
I love shopping, and I go for shopping at the weekends whenever I need for a thing, because I live in a city. Then markets are just a doorstep away from my home, so I usually go to shopping at the end of month or weekend.
Right. Who does the most of shopping in your family?
I think my mother do a lot of shopping, because all the things which are required for a home, to run a home in a decent way, they go to bazaar and buy everything. My dresses,
what do you like
and
buying?
my shoes and these kind of things. I love to buy my own.
Do you do some online shopping?
Online shopping, yeah, I do some online shopping. I usually buy those things which are not available in offline market. So I open the Raz app and Amazon and just order this thing. But I not recommend others to buy online shopping, because
why not?
Because there is a scam in everything. The thing which appear in picture, it's in the real, they're not. They send that thing. If you get that thing, you are lucky. So I don't recommend other people to get online shopping.
Okay. I would like to move for the part 2 now, and in this part I would like to ask you a question, and on that question you are supposed to talk for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay? You have some piece of paper and a pencil with it. You can make some notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Alright, talk about a singer you like the most. There are some prompts. Why? Who is that? Why you like him? How often do you listen to him? Okay? You have 1 minute. Alright, your time is up now. Start speaking.
Usually, there are many singers which I love to hear, but my favorite singer is Bilal Saeed. He's from Sialkot. He was born in 1889, and the first time when I hear him, I think it was my childhood, and I was 9 years old, and it was my uncle's mobile phone the first time when I hear his music. And his first song was become very popular, and from that day I started to listen him. And as I grew up, I bought my own mobile phone, and I usually download his music ringtones also. And he's a very nice person, and I often listen him about 2 to 3 hours daily. The content of his music is very good. He's a motivational type of singer. Whenever I feel demotivated, I just put on my earbuds and listen to his music, and it gives me goosebumps also. So he's a very nice person. Recently, a bad video was released, was leaked by some haters, but he was also arrested and stayed in the jail for about 2 to 3 months. But the judges do not prove him guilty, so he was proved that he doesn't admit that crime. So he's a very nice person. He took care of his family members, and I also love to hear with my friends, and I also recommend them to hear him. So we hear him as a group. Whenever we went for a tour or anything, we play loud music in our van or bus in which we drive. So that's it.
Alright, thank you very much, man. How often do you listen to him?
I often listen him I listen him daily about 2 to 3 hours.
Alright, thank you very much. Alright, we've been talking about a singer you like the most. Now I would like to ask you some questions related to this.
Okay.
What kind of music are popular with young people in your culture?
Young people in my society love to hear Punjabi music, the music which gave them a type of motivation, because we are living in a world of modern technology. Recently, the music was not available in video form, but nowadays it is available in video form, and so when they saw video, they copied the trending fashion of that singer. So it has a very good
Nice.
effect on our culture.
What do you think influence a young person's taste in music?
A different person have different taste. They have different reasons to listen to music, but young people in my society you will love to hear Punjabi music, and which gave them a type of goosebumps and that.
All right. How has technology affected the kinds of music popular with young people?
Technology plays a major role in developing a type of music, and it also influences the mind of young person. Like if we move on to the 90s, young people love to hear slow music or audio music, but as a development in the technology, now music are available in the form of videos, in the form of CDs. So you can view the music in video form. So it is a thing.
All right, good. Tell me about any traditional music in your culture.
I think Punjabi music is very popular in my culture, and it is a tradition which is going from 90s toward this century. So Punjabi music is the tradition.
All right. How important is it for a culture to have musical traditions?
Musical tradition, I think musical tradition is very important for a culture, because if a country don't have any musical traditions, their coming generation do not have any interest in music. So it plays a very important role.
All right. Why do you think countries have national anthems or songs?
National anthem or any songs represent the independence of a country. For example, if a country don't have any national anthem, I think they are not have any acceptance in the whole world. So national anthem represent the independence of a country, that this country is you can say came to being in the 90s or 20s. So it represents independence.
All right, thank you very much, Mr. Ahmed. This is the end of the test.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, he has recently taken the exam of IELTS test, and almost he got the same topic of part 2 and almost similar questions in part 3, and he achieved 6 score band in speaking. This is why I'm going to share my experience about his speaking, so you can learn from that. Instead of using hear for the music, we should use listen to the music. Moreover, there were some grammatical errors. For the past, he used the first form, and for the present, somewhere he used the second form for present. And instead of using doesn't, in the last question, he said, a country don't have. Country, instead of saying don't, he was supposed to use doesn't. Like this kind of mistakes were there in the test, and he was also supposed to use some sentence starters so he could improve his score band. Okay, you can follow his speaking listen to him, watch his video, and you can come to know where should we improve more and we can achieve at least 6.5 to 7 score band. This is the end of the test. Thank you very much.